Welcome to VVM Sri Damodar College of Commerce and Economics. This is a short video to help you fill the online application form easily and start the process of admission to this institution. First and foremost, you need to download the prospectus to know the details of the program opted for. For this purpose, you need to log in to our college website www.damodarcollege.edu.in. Click on Admission Details. The prospectus will be available at this link. The next step is to fill the online admission form using the link damodarcollege.fidina.com/register. While filling the form, select academic year 2021 and select the course, that is BBA FS, BCA, BVoc ST or MCom. You are required to keep the following documents ready in soft copy to fill up the admission form. Please note that each document must be less than 5 MB in size. You are required to upload a passport size photograph. Also, please ensure that the name on the photograph is as per your name on the 12th mark sheet. Example, if your name is Rahul Kumar, let the file name be rahulkumar.jpg or rahulkumar.png. You will also need class 12 mark sheet, original HSSC living certificate, migration/provisional eligibility certificate issued by Goa University, caste certificate if applicable. Next, click on the apply button to fill in the admission form. You are required to fill your details on this form. Fields marked in red indicate the mandatory fields. Before you fill in your admission form, you are requested to keep your documents ready in a folder. This is the admission form. Fill in your personal details. Add in your additional details like place of birth, religion, category, etc. Next, fill in your communication details, that is your address. Next, we have the previous institution details, which include the name of your previous institution, the qualifying exam, exam roll number, total marks, the marks obtained, percentage, and the month and year of passing. Fill in your additional academic details here. Enter your guardian details here. This is the place where we need to attach our documents. My documents are there in this folder documents. So I am attaching my mark sheet. It is preferred that you save your mark sheet in this format: ms_your name. So the mark sheet is attached. Next, I will be attaching the leaving certificate. The leaving certificate is saved in the format LC_name. Please attach any further certificates if required. Once you have accepted the declarations, the form is ready for submission. To submit the form, kindly click on the Proceed button. Once you click the Proceed button, your details will be shown to you for verification. Kindly check your details. Once you have verified your details and you wish to proceed with submission of the form, click the Submit Application button. If you wish to change something, please click on the Edit Application button. Make the change to your application wherever required. And click Update Application. Once again, your details will be shown to you. If all the details are correct, kindly proceed with the submission by clicking the Submit Application button. Click OK. On successful submission of your form, you should be able to see a message, "Thank you for registering. Your application has been saved successfully." Kindly take note of your registration number. To download or print your form, click on Print Application. You may click the Download button to save your application. If you wish to print your application, click the Print button. Students who are found eligible and fulfilling the merit requirements will receive an email at their email address. The email will also contain the link for payment of fees. Kindly note, merely filling up the form is not considered as confirmation of admission. Thank you.